few observations, we can see that pupils regularly practice drawing in the right way. Even though teachers educate us to get in our school, but we don't have the passion to do it so. So, how do we solve the problem?
Well, due to this concern, we come up with recycle vending machine.
Our purpose to attract people to throw the trash properly. We only prepare the bottle type for recycling plastic trash. And we focus on trash of plastic bottles. It is because we found out that most of the trash are plastic bottles the pupil bought from the canteen.
What are the material used to make this project?
The material we use to make our project are hot glue, scissors, glue stick, double-sided tape, colored paper, boxes, impra boards, decorative materials and decorative stickers. We also use microbit to programming the machine, which consists of servomotor to dispense the coins and also infrared sensor to detect the presence of bottle trash.
You must be wondering how to use our machine. First of all, you need to find plastic bottles. Before you throw it into the RVM, you must deflate the bottles. Then, you tighten the bottle's cap. If you throw 3 pieces of plastic bottles into the machine, 30-cent coin will come out from coin collector part.